Looky here. Good stuff from our greenhouse. Look at all the ones Patty has over there. Everything's growing good, growing great. Everything from watermelon, squash to tomatoes. Look at the tomatoes. All kinds of green tomatoes. Eggplants down in there. Wow. Lemon tree back there. Got a white butterfly back there going around. And all kinds of smaller tomatoes. Herbs are growing back there. The dog's doing fine. Athena, she's hidden down there someplace. Athena, where you at? Here she is. She's hiding. But anyway, our greenhouse is doing good. Look at the size of those leaves on those squash and pumpkin plants. Wow. It's really, really doing good. So you have lots of blossoms. Everything's expanding, growing great. Looky there. You got that pumpkin hanging over on a, say, Egyptian walking onion. Matter of fact, it looks like a pumpkin cross between a squash, since we got these plants sewed together. There's some more. There's one in there. Hello. All of this stuff, it just really looks good. Can't really argue about too much. Then we have a big one over here. A nice surprise. Here we got to go ahead and take a quick look at a little bit of our mint that's here. Come on over here. We're following this leader on up and on up and on up. And look what we have here. There you go. A nice big one. Pumpkin, that is. So we're kind of happy. Everything took off this year. It's growing good, which is unusual. Last several years we've had some questionable results, to say the least. But this year things are turning out better. We did put down 12 yards of mulch. In other words, wood chips and everything. Got a video up there when I'm talking about losing some fat. But got all that done. Put in here. Going good. There's our mint right next to the house. Well, say hello.
Hello.
You got some more tomatoes, huh? Good. Okay. So everything's looking good. August the 4th, 2021. What'd you find, Patty?
2 big old zucchinis.
Really? Okay, good deal, because the pumpkins took over virtually everything.
See it right there? There's one there, and there's the other one there on the other side.
Okay, I see it. Oh, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many do you want?
Well, the big ones.
The big ones?
First, yeah.
Okay, because you got one here, one there, and then you got another big one over there. Wow. Okay, let's just get this. Give it a twist. There you go. Good eating size right there. Put this over here. Let's get the other one, which is the ends up here. Give it a twist. There's another one. These other ones still need to grow a bit. 1, 2.
Okay.
Where's that third one? One, 2, 3. There it is. Over here. I brought it. Look at that. Well, this one's pretty long. What do you think? No, it's not big around. Oh, there's another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 more.
Oh, look at that little grasshopper. Right there.
Hi, grasshopper.
Eating the brains of the plant.
Yep. Oh, here's another one. Here's 5. There's another one, 6. There's 7. Oh, that's a big one. That one's got a big. And it's getting tricky.
Yeah, I just don't want to be able to step on the plants.
Yeah, you still gotta harvest it.
Oh, look at that big old grasshopper there. The ladybug.
Oh my word. Look at what we have here. Look, here's the one I saw. Right here. This one. Look at this one here that was right underneath it, which I did not see. It's hidden. Hidden away from prying eyes. Look at this one. Isn't that nice? Look at the little spider thing got down there. Look at all the little bitty spiders. Look at that. That's a pretty good deal. Wow. We got another one. How big is this one? Oh, it still grow a little bit. There's another one.
Okay.
So we got about 5 or 6 more in here.
Good.
Give them about another week. There you go. Trying not to step on anything. That's important. Well, here are 4 we got just now. That's not too bad. That's pretty cool. We'll take that as a win-win. Looky in here. Another pumpkin. I was commenting earlier.
Oh, there's 2 of them.
Yeah. You know, what I was commenting earlier was that the pumpkin looked like they crossed with the squash.
Yeah.
Huh, interesting. Look at that one up there.